Hello coders, I hope you are coding well. In the previous video, we created a new Angular 18 application and after this we installed UI library in it as well. And in today's video, we will create user entity in our Spring Boot application. And after this, we will create other related files like user role enum, user repository, and user service. So let's get started. So in our Spring Boot application, first of all, we need to create user role enum. And to do this, we will right click on our quiz server package. And after this, we will choose new package. And we will name this package as enums. And now let's right click on our enums package and let's choose new Java class. And we will name this class as user role. And after this, from the options, we will select enum. And in this quiz project we will have two roles, admin and user. So in this user role enum we will create two values, admin and user. And with this our user role enum is completed. Now we need to create the user entity, and to do this we will again right click on our quiz server package, and after this we will choose a new package and we will name this package as entities. And after this we will right click on this entities package and we will choose a new Java class and we will name this class as user. And after creating this user class we will annotate this with @entity annotation and we will import it from jakarta.persistence. And after this, to get the getters and setters, we will add the annotation of data from Lombok. And after this we need to mention the properties of our user class. And first of all we will store the ID of the user, and to do this we will write private and the data type of this will be long and we will name this as ID. And after this, to make it a primary key, we will add the annotation of ID from jakarta.persistence. And after this we need to write the automatic generation logic of our ID, and to do this we will add @generated value annotation. And after this, for the strategy we will set generation type dot identity. And after the ID we need to store the email of the user, and to do this we will write private and the data type of this will be string and we will name this as email. And after the email we need to store the password, so we will write private and the data type of this will be string as well and we will name this as password. And after the password we need to store the name, so we will write private and the data type of this will be string and we will name this as name. And after the name we need to store the user role, so we will write private and the data type of this will be user role and we will import this from quizserver.enums package. And after this we will name this as role. And with this our user entity is completed. Now we need to create the user repository, and to do this we will right click on our quiz server package and we will choose a new package and we will name this package as repository. And after this we will right click on our repository package and we will choose a new Java class and we will name this class as user repository, and from the options we will select interface. And after this we will annotate this user repository with @repository annotation, and then we will extend this from jpa repository and we will import this from data.jpa.repository package. And after this we need to mention the entity and the data type of the primary key, and for the entity we will write user and we will import this from quizserver.entities package. And after this, for the data type of the primary key we will give this as long. And with this our user repository is completed as well. Now we need to create user service, and to do this we will right click on our quiz server package and we will choose a new package and we will name this package as service. And now in this service package we need to create the user package, so we will right click on this and we will choose a new package and we will name this package as user. And after this we will right click on our user package and we will choose a new Java class and we will name this class as user service. and then from the options we will choose interface. And after this we will right click again on the user package and we will choose new Java class and we will name this class as user service implementation. And after this we will annotate this class with @service annotation, and then we will write implements and we will mention user service. And with this our service classes are completed as well. Now let's run our application. And as you can see, our application is up on port 8080 without any errors. And in the logs we can see that the create user table query got executed. And now let's go to our MySQL workbench to see if we got the user table created or not. And in the MySQL workbench we will open our quiz server DB, and after this we will open the tables drop down, and as you can see we got our user table, and in this user table we got the columns of ID, email, name, password and role. And that's it for today's video. In the next video we will write the code to create the admin account in our Spring Boot application.